Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Type C: and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space System32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space C: / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space C: / bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space C: / and simply hit enter. Type attrib C: / boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space C: / boot /bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.